Hello everybody, in today's daily video we're going to talk about the S&P 500 and I want to show you one observation that I have just observed. It's pretty simple, but it can be extremely important for us to know, to remember, and it's also in confluence with the other research that I have done. So what is this observation about? So if you go throughout the past like 15 years of the S&P 500 or maybe from 2015, I have indicated it. So I'm going to be talking about these purple lines here, okay? So for instance, 2015 was a very frustrating year. The correction was not severe, it was only about 15.4%. It was not a strong correction, but it was a sizable correction, but it was very stretched. It was happening throughout like 1.5 years, so there was basically no money. People made basically no money in 1.5 years. Very frustrating, what the traders hate the most. And then we had COVID, and guess what the COVID bottom was? I also put there this line, which is basically 2015 high, and you can see that the COVID went 3%. The COVID lows were almost 3% only of those highs. So this 3%, I would say that this is front running. As you're going to see in the other examples, and then I have indicated the COVID highs. Okay, the COVID was a recession. It was very fast recession and short, but nonetheless, it was 30-something percent, 36% correction in S&P 500 or crash even. I have indicated with another line the high of COVID. Okay, and guess what? We came 3%, strangely, 3% off that line in 2022. So again, you could talk about front running it. Okay. We have been front running these COVID highs basically. So I think that was very important, this line. And so then I indicated 2022 highs. Okay, I indicated those highs with another line, with this purple line here. And when you go to 2025, then of course in Q1 last year, we had the 20-something% correction, and there we came 0.3% of this line, 0.3%. It was nearly hit. It was again front round. Okay, so 0 to 3%, that's front running. So you know the drill by now. I'm now indicating the highs of 2025 as another line, and that's 6,147. And when you put like 3% of that or so, then I believe it should be somewhere, yeah. So if you like 2 to 3%, that's 6,300 or so. 6,300, and that is going to be the low of the next sizeable correction.